What are we making?
Honey covered, whatever it's called, pancakes.
We're making pancakes, honey covered. We're making pancakes with butter. Thinking about butter?
I thought it was.
We're making honey covered.
Butter. Okay, I guess.
All right, so we got our HEB pancake mix. We just need to add milk, egg, oil, pancake mix. Easy. So Lincoln's gonna
Don't forget about syrup.
Well, yeah, but I'm talking about to make the actual pancakes. This is Lincoln's go-to syrup. It's the Pearl Milling, also known as, used to be Aunt Jemima's, but they rebranded to Pearl Milling.
Can I do it?
Of course you can.
Yay!
All right, so you're gonna fill that up with 1 cup of this powder. Here, let me scissor it.
What is that powder?
This is the pancake batter. It's like making a cake. You know when you have cake batter? You have pancake batter here. So, do you want to hold it over and I'll dump it in, or do you want to do the whole thing? You want to try to dump it into? All right, good luck. If you make a mess, it's okay. Just do it right there, and if it falls on here, we'll just clean it up. Here, just take this thing here.
And then we pour it in.
Yeah, pour it until it's full. Good luck. I'm going to grab the eggs and milk.
That's good.
That was amazing, except for the last end. Look, that's not even full, though. Look.
Oh, I thought that was. Sorry.
Here, let's fill it up the rest of the way.
Fill it up a bit more.
Sure, yeah.
Who cares if it gets messy?
Not me.
Yeah, it's supposed to get messy anyways.
Give it a little shake. That's almost perfectly full. All right, dump it in the bowl. Good enough. First step is done, guys. All right, we'll clean that up at the end. Don't worry about it.
Let's do the egg next.
Okay, we need 1 egg. All right, here you go. Grab an egg. This does not go on my head. Remember that.
I know.
If you put it on my head, I'll put it on your head. That's going to be kind of hard to crack. Try to crack it here on this thing. There you go. Okay, now.
Oh.
Now
it's cracked.
Yeah, there you go.
And bang, it works.
But bam, it works.
The reason I wanted to do that first was because it reminded me of your head last time.
How dare he? How dare? If you guys don't know what happened, we have a spin the wheel on Twitch for 1,000. I know how many points? 10,000 points. And the wheel has break an egg on your head, and I had to break an egg on my head. It was terrible.
I did that because it reminded me of it, so I wanted to do it first.
It was terrible, guys.
Because I wanted it to get flashback.
All right, you want to try pouring it in? You got to fill it up 3 times. Can you do it? She gets milk up first. Okay, go ahead. Hold it over here.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, and pour it in. So.
Oh my god.
Okay, I don't even know how much milk that was, guys. Let's drop it in now at this point.
I think that's enough.
Well, I don't know. We're going to have to stir it and see. So just set that down.
That is not it.
This is going amazing so far, guys. You want to start it up?
Yeah.
All right, we need 1 tablespoon of oil.
Stir, 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 stir.
All right, we definitely don't want to put too much oil in, so I'm going to do this part. We're just going to put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in. See how I did that gently, Lincoln? All right.
I mix.
You are mixing.
I think that we did good.
I'm about to find out. I'm going to leave the milk here in case we need some more of it. I'm going to put up the eggs.
I think that we did enough milk.
I'm going to use this to help you get the powder off.
Okay. Okay. I think that we put enough milk.
Maybe. See, like right now, it's not that runny. If you want it a little bit more runny than that, this might be a little bit too thick. Just a little bit. So we're just going to do just a tiny bit of milk here, guys.
I guess I did good then.
You did pretty good. All right. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good, guys.
It wasn't luck. It was skill.
It was skill. All right. We're going to use our hex-clad double burner griddle to make these pancakes.
What's a double burner griddle?
I will show you. Thanks for asking. No, okay. Hold on, guys. We're going to switch the camera angle. All right, guys. This is our hex-clad double burner griddle. We're going to get both sides hot here, and then we're going to switch the angle one more time. All right. Step 1, we're going to butter the pan. You handle it, Lincoln. All you got to do, just take this and just rub the butter like that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, go for it. Butter up that pan. Butter up that pan. Butter makes everything taste better. Yeah, butter it up. Heck yeah, butter makes everything taste better.
What about spicy ramen?
Okay, better makes everything sweet taste better. How about that? Okay. All right, do you want to pour this?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to just pour like that, and I'll kind of tell you when to stop. So here, take it. You got it? Need 2 hands or what? I don't know. All right. I'm just gonna hold it here a little bit for you, okay?
You're doing
So we're gonna pour it in. Gonna let it sit on, get on top of each other, make a nice little circle. Let's see how big we want our pancakes. Think that's a good size? Okay.
And then another one.
Yeah, come over here.
And then we stack them on top of each other.
Exactly. Well, about the same size if we can. I think that'll be good.
Yep. Guys, we're going to stack them on top of each other once they're done.
We are. Now, the trick about pancakes, watch Lincoln, they're going to start bubbling. And when they have a lot of little bubbles all over, that's when you're going to flip it. So wait till you have all the bubbles, guys. I'm going to let Lincoln flip it.
What if I make a mistake on flipping?
You know what? Sometimes you make mistakes. It's all good. That's how you learn.
Okay.
No big deal.
Hopefully I don't.
Hopefully it's perfect.
Yep.
We'll see how it goes.
Almost nothing is perfect first try though.
Nothing is perfect first try, except for me. I came out as an absolutely perfect first try.
I said almost.
Exactly. I'm the exception.
And
Oh,
maybe
there's my cat meowing it up.
I don't think that there's any bubbles yet.
Yeah, we're going to turn the heat just a little. Might fast forward to when we flip it.
Oh, there are big bubbles.
Yeah, it's getting bubbly. Triphobia, guys.
What's a triphobia?
Triphobia is like people that look at like holes and stuff, like a lot of little holes, and it makes them feel weird. Do you get that? Then you yes or no? You do, then you have triphobia.
It's scaring me.
It's triphobia. Look under there. You gotta like put your head down so you can look up. Yeah, that's good. All right, so slide it way under, all the way. Keep going. Okay, now you need to. Okay, hold on. We gotta like. I'm gonna help you one time. Okay, so you gotta like really get it under there like that. Okay, and then you're gonna put your hand like that. Because you're gonna need to flip your hand over. Okay, go for it. Yeah, good job. That was a good one. That was a pretty perfect flip. Give it a little pat. Let's see how the other one's looking here. Almost.
Yeah.
We're gonna add a little butter on top of this to make it even better.
I'm doing really good on this.
You are doing amazing. Here, let me get a butter knife.
Butter knives are made for butter, so that makes sense.
Exactly. Put that butter on top. Oh my gosh, I said get on top, butter now. Okay.
No butter.
Let it sit there so it can start melting. Put our piece of butter over there for right now. Okay, I think this one might be getting there. Let's see. Yeah, this one's ready. Okay, go for here. Right, you slide it under hard.
Okay, like.
No, okay, slowly first. Like go under slowly. Now push it hard. Oh, that was so close. That was okay. That's okay. That's okay. You did good. You did good. There you go. See, like I don't know how I do it. Okay.
Like fast.
Yeah. Now flip it on over. Perfect. Look at these beautiful pancakes, guys. Come on, butter, melt it up. All right, let's get a plate. We're gonna stack these up. All right, Lincoln, use the spatula and put one on here.
I'll start with the smaller one.
Sure. Okay. Boom. Now put the other one on here. Boom. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Perfect. You made it yourself. You did a good job. All right, guys. Final step. Put a syrup all over it. Do it. Do it. Yeah. Syrup it up. Syrup it up. Syrup it up. Give it a little squeeze. There you go. Yeah. That looks delicious.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try this out. You ready? Look at that buttery, syrupy goodness.
6 times.
Yeah, that is actually crazy. All right, you want to go first? Here you go. First bite. Let's see how good it is. Is it too hot? It's good. Yeah, 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10.
10.
10. I gotta try it out. Let's see, guys. I haven't had these kind of pancakes in a very long time as well. Let's see. I'm gonna have one bite. One bite, guys. You did a great job. What's some of the best pancakes I've ever ate? That butter and that syrup on that sweet pancake. Chef's kiss.
That was one of the best ones you've ever tasted.
It absolutely is. Also because you made it with love. That's right. Chef's kiss. All right, say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.